Hey everyone, we have BMW F8X M3 or M4 calipers finished up today. These were completely rebuilt and refinished in Bengal Red powder coat. So these calipers received brand new piston seals, dust boots, bleeder valves, and bleeder caps. We also replaced the crossover O-rings. So the calipers are completely disassembled and powder coated in halves. So any type of future maintenance work on these calipers will be easy to do, and you won't destroy the finish. Also included are caliper decals. This customer still wanted those M logos to kind of basically replicate the factory look. And yeah, the setup is from the F80, so they have 4-piston front Brembos, 2-piston rear Brembos. The setup he's going to actually retrofit onto his 3 Series. It's popular brake caliper upgrade, and it is pretty much just bolt on as far as I know. So yeah, if you have brake calipers that need rebuilding and or refinishing, you can reach out to us at VisionAutoworks.com. Our contact information is on the website. Send us your vehicle, make, model, what calipers you need done, and we'll get back to you with a quote. Thanks.